Wow, those Now we'll set off about 2 or 3 really big ones, and that'll be it. Maybe that's it. Yeah, now they're getting, oh.
Wow. Those are my favorite.
Those are my least favorite. Little rabbits walking across the...
That's neat.
Holy snaker.
Just shush.
There's the bit here. Whoa, look at that. Look at that one go up there.
Yeah. 100. Wow. That, oh my gosh, look at that. Spelling the 100. Spelling out 100.
They misspelled it.
They didn't misspell it. Backwards.
We're on the wrong side of the river.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, look, they're even. That's pretty cool.
It's like rings.
Yeah. Wow, that was a good one. Look at that. Whoa! Look at that! Holy cow!
Everybody's driving out to Glenmore. Massive traffic jam strikes Calgary, 11 p.m.
Well, they wouldn't know what they're going every direction. Hey, there's fireworks all over Calgary. What a view. Can you imagine if you were on the reservoir? You're having a baby tonight in Rocky View? You're like, shenanigans. Wow.
Ah. It's gotta be it. Wow.
That was pretty good. That was pretty good.